unboxing from Lakehousebeach. Okay. All right, let's see. Dude. What in the world? Look at all this confetti. Got a little streamer, a happy birthday. This is awesome. Lake House is inviting me to his birthday party. That is awesome. Kind of like a grab bag from your mom. That is sweet. Let's see what he says here. Yeah, this is cool. All right. It's your birthday. And yes, I'm laughing. Hey, love that sticker. That is cool. Check that out. I'll let you say it's my birthday for that sticker. Sorry about the mess, but you started it, brother. Oh, you're fine, buddy. You're fine. What's this? To CoinMan 5000. Open second. Yeah, it's my birthday today, too. It's awesome. What? No bananas? Yeah, that'd be Silver Chimp. I like it when he sends somebody stuff. You always get them little yellow bananas. Oh, heck yeah. That's cool, buddy. Man, thank you. But, yeah, that is cool. And yeah, that sticker is really neat. Yeah, thank you. That's really cool. Cap bust, yes. That is right, Lake House. Happy birthday, says Logan. Well, thanks, Logan. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Me and Lakehousebeach are sharing a birthday. It's awesome. It is awesome. And look at this confetti mess. All right. What's he saying? He is not Rob. Happy birthday. All right, let me see. I got my little birthday card envelope here. My wife's going to come into work tomorrow and be like, what is all this confetti stuff by my desk? I'll tell her I had a birthday. She didn't know about it. You're fine, buddy. You're fine. I started it. I totally get it. What's everybody saying? That's a mess. Happy birthday, CoinMan 5000. Yes. Thank you very much. Me and Lakehousebeach are sharing a birthday today. Pretty cool. I was trying to think of a way to get you back. I got creative. You had me nervous. I thought, man, I hope there ain't nothing alive in there, the way you was talking. But hey, I really appreciate that that round and that sticker. Really love that sticker.